Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make public followers on Facebook. First, ensure your privacy settings are set to public for all posts and profile details. This allows anyone to see your content. Next, craft a compelling profile or page that clearly communicates your purpose. Select high-quality profile and cover photos that are visually appealing and represent your brand or personality effectively. This foundational step is crucial for attracting new followers. To truly engage your audience, consistency is vital. Aim to post at least 3 to 5 times per week, varying your content with photos, short videos, and thoughtful text updates. Share valuable and relevant information that genuinely interests your target demographic. Always encourage interaction by asking open-ended questions and responding to every comment promptly. This fosters a sense of community and keeps followers coming back for more. Expanding your reach beyond your current network is essential for growth. Share your Facebook profile or page link across all your other social media platforms, inviting connections to follow you there. Actively engage with other public pages and in groups relevant to your niche, contributing thoughtfully to discussions. For a significant boost, consider running targeted Facebook advertisements, which can reach thousands of potential new followers based on specific demographics. Sustaining follower growth requires continuous effort and adaptation. Regularly analyze your post performance using Facebook Insights to understand what content resonates most with your audience. Pay attention to metrics like reach, engagement rate, and video views. Adapt your content strategy based on these insights, focusing on what performs best. Maintaining authenticity and consistency in your messaging will build a loyal and engaged community over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.